Well, here's the Wireless World synthesizer that I've been building since 1973. I've just got it going again now. Had to build a couple of boards which I hadn't finished, and it all seems to be working fine now. Here's the patch panel, VCO1, the first voltage controlled oscillator. That's currently producing a sawtooth wave, triangular wave. And then if I swap over here, we're on a square wave. Here's your square wave. And then sine wave. And lastly, the mark space, and that needs to have a sawtooth wave injected into it there. That's the variable mark space. Now all of these of course are frequency adjustable. We've got a coarse frequency switch here, which is very low frequency, and we've got a variable mark space. And we've also of course got the bias, which can take it up into very high frequencies. The second VCO needs a square wave and a triangular wave to produce a pulse and a ramp, frequency variable of course. Very wide range from subsonic to ultrasonic. To get a ramp, we need to put a square wave in to the triangle mix. Now VCO3 is a bit special. It produces quite a useful sort of waveform. It produces a straightforward pulse on there. Fixed frequency, well, its frequency is the same as the sequence, which is the other interesting bit, which is this one here. Okay, and that is controlled by these 6 controls here, which individually adjust the amplitude of each step in the sequence, and you can then vary the frequencies obviously. And you can also adjust the amplitude of each individual step up and down these 6 controls here. Now VCO3 can also adjust the sequence length from 2 steps to 3, 4, 5, 6 different steps. 6 different steps, all individually adjustable. So you can make some quite interesting waveforms from doing that. And of course still got your variable frequency. Another useful generator is the white noise generator there. That can be mixed in with, say, a sine wave to produce some interesting results. Now with the patch panel linked up to a few amps and oscillators, we can connect the keyboard up. I've got it playing through a little Vox amp up there. Fabulous little thing. It's just on the spring reverb setting in there. Attack, decay, and that sort of thing, which make a fair bit of difference to the actual sound. So that's about it. It's a wrap.